Welcome guys, welcome to another video of disco.py. In this video we will create a free PostgreSql database and we will set up a PostgreSql database with our Discord bot using Asyncpg and disco.py. And the main motive of the video is to share that you can also create a PostgreSQL database without installing it on your local machine, and this will actually helps beginners to learn PostgreSQL because they are just scared from data lossing and installation process. So let's begin the tutorial, guys. So first of all, if you need to create an account in superbiz.com, because in this situation Superbiz is a provider of PostgreSQL. Okay, so let's go to the browser and create a new account in superbiz.com. To create an account, you need to type superbiz.com in your browser URL bar, and after redirecting to this page, you need to click on this sign in button. Okay, you can actually choose any authentication provider, but I will go with the continue with GitHub. Okay, so just click on the button, and after creating an account, you will see this page. Okay, so just create a new project and create an organization. Okay, so let's name it any. So I will name it okay, so I have named it CWP tutorial and personal, and just create an organization. And now we need to create a project. Okay, so if you did not see the organization part, and you directly redirect to this page, so don't worry, you can directly create a project here. Okay, so let me fill the form. As you can see, I have just filled the form. So I have named the project is CWP database, and I have choose the password which is actually public. And but in your case, please don't make this password public, because if someone has your host and password, they can directly access your database, because this password will be your database password also. Okay, then I've choose a nearest region, and then you should click on the create new project. Okay, after clicking here, you need to wait 1 or 2 minutes while they are provisioning your project. But we will not wait, we will create a bot. Okay, so let's create a bot. So okay, I'm in my code editor. Let's install some packages. Okay, let's install some packages which requires to this tutorial. So pip install disco.py asyncpg. So okay, asyncpg, I have not tell you what is asyncpg. So asyncpg is a driver, like it's actually helps us to connect our discord bot with postgresql. And with this package, you can do curd operation. Curd means create, read, update and delete operations with your database. Okay, so hit enter and installed it. I have already installed. Let's create a very organized folder structure. So our entry point will be main.py. Then we will create a core folder. So this folder holds our bot subclass, and let's create it. Okay, so we have created our bot.py file. Let's import this file to initializer. So from dot bot import bot. Okay, not import bot, import all, because we will only export bot from this file. So that's why I can trust Python and I can do import all. Okay, so let's import our extension, which is commands. Okay, so from discord.ext import commands, then from Asyncpg import poll. So poll is nothing, it's a connection poll. Okay, it actually hold your connection, and it's with this poll you can access your database. Okay, you can actually execute and fetch data from your database. Okay, you can read more about Asyncpg poll and Asyncpg in their documentation. I will give the link in the video's description. Okay, let's import discord, and let's make a dender method all, and export the bot subclass. Okay, let's create a subclass, and okay, so we will create a db poll. That's why I will pass a db, and then we will pass quarks. Okay, super init. Okay, that's it. So now with this variable, class variable, you can access your database from anywhere from your cogs without importing this bot subclass uh, in a folder. If you have bot instance, then you can actually access this. Okay, so let's create a onReady method, async def onReady. Okay, so we have created a onReady method also. Let's create our startup function. Okay, um, so we need to import Asyncio, Asyncpg, and our bot subclass. So from core import bot, from Asyncio import run, from Asyncpg import create poll. Let's create a function, main function, and then you need to do is async with create poll as poll, async with bot, and as bot await bot dot start token is equal to token. Now let's create the indentation, which is this. Now we need to import the token. So from config import token. Then we need to import the discord also. So from, no, we will just import the intent class because we need to pass the intent also. So that's why from discord import intents. Okay, so let's pass the intents, not intents, basically poll is equal to poll, then command prefix will be blank, then intents will be all because we have enabled all these intents, and that's it. Okay, we will let's configure the create poll. So to get your database configurations, you need to go to your database settings. So let's open. As you can see, our project is successfully created. Let's click on settings. So let's open the settings. Now you need to click on just wait. Okay, so now you need to click on the database, and then congratulations guys, you got your database configurations. So just copy them to your config file with the same name, like create a variable called host, and just copy this and put it, assign it to this variable. Then also same for each. Okay, and for this password, whatever password you gave when you creating this particular project, you need to assign that password. They already said that the password you provided when you created this project. Okay, okay guys, so I have copied all the configurations of our database. Let's assign them to create poll. Okay, so let's import them first. Host, port, password, then user, then database name. Okay, now we need to, that's it. Okay, okay, yes, so everything is perfect. Let's see that let's see what will happen after running. So okay, okay, so guys, we have successfully executed our bot, and yes guys, this actually works. Okay, because as you can see, we have actually created the poll, and we are actually using the particular database which name Postgres. Okay, but uh, in next video we will create our custom database, we will create our custom user, we will assign a new password to this user, so that only you can access this particular database, or the database sorry, the user. And we will learn some of things about PostgreSql. So stay tuned, and don't forget to like this video guys. And also, if you have any doubts regarding PostgreSql or regarding discord.py, you can join my discord server, links given in the description, and just ping me on general chat, or just post your error or your question in general chat. I will definitely give you a reply. Okay, so that's it for this video.